Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Snap Inc. Now this stock has already corrected 85% from the top. Now after corrected this much, and there will be a time when people literally frustrated with not by selling, by looking at the downside, and they will everybody will say that this is not the kind of downfall one is expecting, and some people may say that enough is enough, we must look into the stock or the price trend because the overall chart has corrected. Like, I mean, there are some huge corrections that are happening beyond a specific point because it looks like, looking at the price chart right now, it looks like the company's existence is gone. So this is not the case, and that's why it is better to look at this stock when you have extreme pain in the market, if not in the overall market but into the specific stocks. So let's start analyzing this chart. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now what we don't know is uh, which exact level will work as your big support, but what we do know is there are some important level which you may consider or which you may take into under consideration. So you have 11.66, which is going to be your immediate support, and then we have 10.65 next support, and you have your stop loss of $8 on the downside. Okay, so these are your next three support level as far as your lower end of the range is concerned. And I think that in between, because the stock is right now trading near $12, so a more if you're looking at the downside, $4 more probably will set it all. Okay, so these are your three next immediate support level as well as your stop loss, or rather I would call it as your buy zone, because let's say if the stock falls at or toward 86 or $8, beg your pardon, so it will be a 90% correction from the top. So these are some huge corrections that are happening, and the time frame in between which it is happening is quite phenomenal. I mean, 80% or 90% fall in a matter of 3 or 4 or 5 months is quite phenomenal, because we have never seen these kind of things, those in the market for more than a decade. A correction like this would definitely take more than 1.5 year. Now everything is just happening so quick that people can't understand what the hell is going on. So anyways, you have these three levels on the downside, and the only thing you need to understand here is, even if the stock moves toward $8, but it has to sustain and come back above $11 or 11.66, which is going to be your immediate support for an upward movement. Okay, so it's not like it will go toward $8 and then sitting idle. That's not going to work out. So any of these three support level will work, and that time will tell. And as far as the upside is concerned, the three immediate levels that we're gonna look at will be 18.32, 19.73 and 21.42 on the upside. So this is what we are looking at as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. Beg your pardon, higher end of the range is concerned, where the stock will definitely face resistance at or in between 19 and 21.5. And once the stock crossed 21.5, a new range will open up where the stock will find its momentum back, in which case the next two immediate target beyond 21.5 will be 26.74 and 27.63. So these are going to be your next two targets on the upside. And after 27.63 we have 43.42, then we have here we are 57.89, and probably we will move towards the upper end of the range in the next upcoming months and years to come. it will definitely take time. It's not going to happen very easily. So you have 57 and the big target of $83. So what I have said is about very big targets on the upside, but this will definitely take time. Right now what we are facing are upside downside, and we will wait and see which one of these levels in between 8 and 11.6 is will come into play or will come handy. And once things started moving, there are three specific targets started with 18.3 to can go up to 21.5, and beyond 21 we have all the levels that you can see in front of you. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.